Siemens NX Change language. The NX user interface can be displayed in many languages. The English language is always installed, additional languages can be added. First, check which languages have already been installed. Type this into File Explorer and press Enter. This will take you to the NX installation directory. You will find the languages already installed in the Localization subfolder. If your desired language is already there, you can skip the next step. I can only see the German folder, so I can already select the English and German languages for the user interface. Install additional language. However, I would like to add Spanish. To do this, I open the NX download and start launch.exe to add the desired language. Then I select Install NX and choose Change. Here I select the desired language under Localization and click on Will be installed on local hard drive. Of course, this takes longer than shown here. I have significantly increased the speed of the video. To check, I take a look in the Localization subfolder. The new folder can now be found there. Create user variable in Windows. With the help of an environment variable, NX is now prompted to display the desired language. To do this, simply enter env in the Windows search field, and then click on Environment Variables. Then create a new user variable. This is the name of the variable. You can now enter the desired language as the value of the variable. The language is often labeled differently in your own country, but you must select the exact name of the folder with the desired language. The next time you start NX, the user interface will be displayed in Spanish. And as an intro, you hear Spanish guitar. Okay, that was a joke. User variable in the start script. In the last two exercises, you have already learned how to create a start script for yourself or your team. Here, too, you could simply insert the variable with the desired language. You could also copy the start script and select a different language in the copy. Incidentally, you can also listen to this video and many other videos from LearnNX in different languages. As in NX, English is the original language, but you can select other languages for the audio in the YouTube settings. The new variant of the component requires Thank you for watching, and if you really liked this tip, click on like and subscribe, because that's the applause for the creator.
El punto de referencia del agujero se pierde y debe repararse, y los chaflanes también deben adaptarse a la nueva...